Hi, it's Katie, and today in For Your Success podcast, we are talking about the 4 things that a media kit is not.
Welcome to For Your Success with Katie Hornor, an inspiring program about overcoming the I'm too small mindset, redefining success, and growing your lifestyle business legacy without fear.
So we're continuing our conversation of media kits, and today we want to talk about the 4 things that a media kit is not. You don't want to get your media kit confused with these things. Number 1 is a press kit, and I'm going to walk through each of these and explain what they are and how it differs from a media kit. So a media kit is not a press kit. A press kit is something that you want to have on your site that is available to reporters or to news outlets, things like press releases, things like awards that you've won, things like any kind of promotional stuff that's going on, anything like that. That is a press kit. It is for the press to give them the information that they need at a moment's notice or with an easy download so they can get everything they would need to write up some sort of article or promotion for you all in one spot. That is a press kit. It is different from a media kit because the media kit is for a potential sponsor or potential partner. They're not as concerned about all the awards that we've won as they are in whether or not we can help them reach their people or reach more of their people with their product or service. And so those awards and press releases and things are not as important to your potential sponsors or partners in a media kit as they would be in a press kit situation. The second thing that a media kit is not is a sponsor deck. Your media kit is not a sponsor deck. This is not something that you are sharing with potential sponsors or corporate sponsors in hopes that they're going to give you money in exchange for some sort of in exchange for a cooperative promotion or something like that. There are very specific things that need to go into a sponsored deck, things like packages and different kind of things that you will do for them in trade for their investment in you. But it is not the same thing as a media kit. A media kit is for someone who wants to pay for sponsored content, and you're showing how you can help them reach their people. Now, it's similar. The video just paused. It's similar. A sponsor deck and a media kit are similar in that you're talking to potential sponsor type clients. These are people who are willing to pay money to invest in you for some sort of promotion. However, the relationship with a sponsor is usually going to be much more long term than it would be with someone who does the media kit. Not always, but sometimes. And generally the amount of money that we're talking about is different. There's going to be a lot more that goes into a sponsor deck than just a media kit. The third thing that a media kit is not is it is not a resume. Okay, so your media kit is not a resume. It's not a list of everything that you've done, of all the experience that you have, of why they should work with you because you're so fabulous. The media kit really wants to focus in on how you can help them reach the people they want to reach with their product or service, with their message. They don't care as much about what you've done. They want to know, can you help me reach the demographic that I'm trying to reach? All right. And then the fourth thing that a media kit is not is it is not a speaker one sheet. Okay. Your media kit, again, it's not about you. It's not about the things that you can offer to the brand or the topics that you're knowledgeable about or the things that you could entertain or teach to their people. A speaker one sheet is those things. It's showing you off and what you have to offer. A media kit is showing off your brand and how you can help connect the potential partner with their people. So again, the 4 things that a media kit is not. It is not a press kit. It is not a sponsor deck. It is not a resume. And it is not a speaker one sheet. With your media kit, your biggest goal is to show your potential partner upfront and quickly that you have access to the demographic that they want to reach with their product and service, and that you can help them get that product or service in front of those people in a unique and effective way. So if you'd like to know more about media kits and how to create your own, I want you to go to bloggingsuccessfully.com/courses and check out our Media Kit Masterclass. It's a full 8 hours of instruction with time in between the videos for you to fill out the templates and do the work and get that media kit created in one single day if you want to, or you can work on it on your own over time. But bloggingsuccessfully.com/courses, and you can see that Media Kit Masterclass there.
Thanks for listening to the For Your Success podcast, brought to you by our membership community for bloggers, theblogconnection.com. If you're listening via audio, please subscribe and review. If you're a YouTube fan, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, comment, and share. Every action you take to share what we do helps us to be able to continue giving great value. For show notes and links to the resources mentioned in today's episode, please visit foryoursuccesspodcast.com.